How to fix your Fortnite frame rate drop problem? Well, there are a couple of reasons why you are going to be facing this problem sometimes, and we're going to be looking at all the ways you can actually go ahead and fix this problem. So the first thing you're going to do is simply go ahead and check your system requirements because this is what matters the most. Make sure that your PC or console meets the minimum requirement for Fortnite. Generally, when you go ahead and open your Fortnite application, it does let you know about it. You want to also make sure that you have your graphics driver absolutely updated. And you can also try to adjust your video settings. You can simply put your window mode to full screen, resolution to 1920 by 1080, VSync to off, frame rate you can limit it to 60 or 144. You can put rendering mode to performance mode, and 3D resolution to as low as you can if you want to. And you can put your shadows off, view distance near, and effects, texture, and post-processing to low. If that doesn't work, you want to try closing all the other applications that could be running in your background. If it's still not working, you want to check temperature and cooling. Make sure that your PC or console vents are clean and make sure that it's not overheating. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.